Hi Tracers, I'm Nathan Jin, founder of Ivy Food Tech. We automate document management for food companies. And with your help, we want to authenticate certificates like organic, fair trade, and non-GMO on the OriginTrail blockchain. We've been part of the blockchain for food space since 2016, as I was a co-founder of a company called Ripe.io, which was behind the blockchain of tomatoes. When we left Ripe, we wanted to create an application that was accessible to people in the food supply chain. It didn't really make sense that a grower or a cookie maker needed to have a wallet, a node, or a block explorer in order to get the benefits of blockchain. In our existing Ivy document management system, our users send, receive, file, and organize their documents for compliance. But some 300 organic certificates were found to be fraudulent last year, costing millions of dollars in damages. Just posting a hash of a document on a blockchain doesn't guarantee its integrity. However, we've been in conversation with the certifying bodies that issue these certifications, and they've already expressed interest in working with us. Through them, we will post hashes of these documents, certificates like organic certificates or fair trade certificates, on the blockchain, where our users can then verify the authenticity of the documents that they receive without needing to deal with the technical details of blockchain. Our team is a team of 3 engineers with expertise both in blockchain as well as in food, so we're uniquely equipped to know what will really work in the food system. We're super excited to be part of the Trace Alliance as well as an open call project, but we need your help. Please remember to vote for us and trace on. Thank you.